I don't know about you, but I love a good old-fashioned fair or carnival. So all this week we're out of the kitchen and checking out all the rides, testing our skills at the midway, and of course, eating our way from one end of the fair to the other. So ready or not, here we go. Besides all the traditional fair foods, you know, the freshly popped popcorn, the overstuffed sausage sandwiches, and the caramel apples, these days there are so many more options to munch on. Did you know that every region of the country has their own signature dishes that are so good? There is no surprise that many of us find ourselves counting down the days until the fair. At the Iowa State Fair, for example, one of the go-to favorites is a hot beef sundae. Yeah, you heard me right, a hot beef sundae. All it is a big scoop of mashed potatoes, smothered with tender as can be pot roast swimming in a rich brown gravy. Then it's sprinkled with cheese and topped with a cherry tomato. It looks just like a hot fudge sundae. And you don't have to wait for the fair to enjoy these, since the recipe is online. Just type in hot beef sundaes. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and now we're off to discover even more fair favorites so we can share them with you all week long. And every one of them will have you saying, ooh, it's so good.